Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to reset your Spectrum router. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all I want to tell you, like, every router have a reset button on the back side of the router. When you check out your router, on the back side there is a very small tiny button. You have to press this button for 5 seconds. Okay, and you can use any type of pin or any kind of, you can select sharp object by which you can press the button very easily. Okay, you need to press this button only for 5 seconds, 5 to 6 seconds, and the router will restart and your router will automatically reset. Okay, but make sure when you reset this router, your each and everything will gone. It will restore to, you can select factory settings, and your Wi-Fi name, your password, each and everything will gone. Okay, so you need to be very careful before resetting your device. Like, you need to keep this thing in mind, like if you have like lots of devices connected, then you need to reattach or you need to reconnect all the devices. Okay, like your TV, like your you can say like mobile phones, like your cameras, and each and every device you have to reconnect. Okay, so you can see over here there are lots of router examples, and you can see there is a reset button also. You can press the button and you can reset your router very easily. Okay, so this is the information. Now if this video will helpful, please hit a like button, and if you have any experience, please share your thoughts in our comment box. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.